All right, let's head down. Got my brother behind me. Ugh. They got clean plastic up here at the front. They got clean plastic for most of this pathway here, but we'll be in the dirty stuff. That's why I got my coveralls on. This way. You get over here, Matt, you can get up on your knees. It'll be a lot easier. Things we do to make money.
What's that?
Things we do for money. Yeah, guys, so I showed you this the other day. I'm sorry about my shadow. That's where that guy probably just climbed over the top of it. I don't think an animal did that. Some idiot. Let's start on this far end and get that torn out.